what is mean by dictatorship? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time up. Only Nehita, Kundana, and Nimira. You three of you have raised your hand. Okay. Kundana, what is your answer?
Ma'am, dictatorship means ruled by an unelected one person.
Nimira, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, dictatorship is the rule of only one person.
Okay, you can mute yourself. Next, Nehita.
Yeah, ma'am, dictatorship is he's an unelected person, and all the powers with him only. The one person will handle all the powers.
Okay, so whatever you said is the correct answer. And the second question is, in a autocracy government, in an autocracy government, people are having any kind of powers, or are they having any supreme powers with them? In an autocracy government, will the people have the supreme powers with them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, Kundana.
Ma'am, people don't have any powers, only king and queen have the powers.
Nimira,
Ma'am, in autocracy, they don't have supreme power.
Nehita.
Ma'am, in autocracy there will be no powers with the people. It will be with the king or the queen.
In autocracy government, people they don't have any supreme powers with them. Okay, next question. Aung San Suu. Aung San Suu Kyi is the leader of the democratic movement in which country? Aung San Suu Kyi is the leader of the democratic movement in which country? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time up. Okay, Nimira and Neha. Okay, Nimira, what is your answer? Nimira, unmute yourself.
Yeah,
Sorry,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
say repeat the answer.
Ma'am, Myanmar, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. Myanmar, ma'am. My answers.
Okay, Nimira and Neha, Myanmar is correct answer. Okay, next question. Next question. How many types of political parties we have in India? How many types of political parties we have in India? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Time up. Nehita and Nimira. Yeah, Nimira, what is the answer?
Ma'am, regional party and national party.
Nehita?
Yeah, ma'am. Regional party and the national party.
Yeah, Kundana, after time completion, you have raised your hand. So there are two types of political parties, national parties and the regional parties. So Nimira
Ma'am, you
and
raised it in the participants list, ma'am, in time only.
but I could not see that because I'm watching on the screen only. Okay, next question. The origin of democracy can be treated to the city-states of which city? The origins of democracy started in which city? Kundana, you are checking book. Kundana, you are checking book. Yes. Yes, you are checking. Can you show your back camera? on your table? Because I can see that you are checking book. Yes, Nimira, what is the answer?
Ma'am, Athens, ma'am.
Nehita,
Same, ma'am.
Kundana, what is your answer? You unmute yourself first. Yeah,
Athens, ma'am.
okay. That's why I have told you to on the cameras because to check with this. And next question. What are the goals of the democracy? What are the goals of democracy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time up. Nimira and Nehita. Yeah, Nehita, what is the answer?
I think the prosperity and the security.
Okay, Nimira. Okay, the answer is stability and the security. So I can give half of answer, half of mark to you, Nimira and Nehita. Both of you, I can give half of mark for you. Okay, next question. Who elects the, or I mean, who conducts the elections in India? Who conducts elections in India? Nimira, Nehita. Nimira, Nehita, that's all. Who conducts the elections in India? Okay, Nehita, what is the answer?
Ma'am, Election Commission of India conducts the election in India.
Wrong answer.
Huh?
Nimira,
Ma'am, the Election Commission of India.
Yeah.
wrong answer. Kundana, what is the answer?
Ma'am, people will be electing and they will conduct the election.
People themselves, they'll conduct the elections. Very good. Yes, Nehadarshi.
Ma'am, Lok Sabha.
No. So what Nimira and Nehita said is the correct answer. Election Commission will conduct the elections. I just want
I was
to,
what?
yeah, Shreya, you don't want to give the answer, Shreya. Arjun, you'll be sitting like that, and other students, you don't want to. Very good, children. If somebody wants to establish the party, what is the first step they have to do? If anybody wants to establish the party, what is the first step they have to do? Yeah, time up. Kundana, what is your answer?
Ma'am, they will conduct elections, ma'am. Become
Very-
a MLA or MP.
Very good. Nehita,
Ma'am, first they have to register their name in the Election Commission of India.
okay. Nimira, what is the answer?
Same thing, ma'am. They have to register with the Election Commission.
Yeah, the answer is they have to register their name with the election commission, so then they can establish the political party. Yeah, next question. So the Bible have been divided into two, groups. So what is that? What are the two books of the Bible? Again, Nimira and Nehita. That's all. Yes, Nimira.
Ma'am, the Old Testament and the New Testament.
Nehita.
The old and the new one. The Testament.
No. Make it complete.
The Old Testament and the New Testament.
Okay, the answer is correct. The Old Testament and the New Testament. So that is the answer. Again, these two people. Boys, you don't want to, Dhruvan? And other boys, Krishna
You're
Kaushal.
noting down the marks, ma'am. Ma'am?
See, I'm writing.
Okay.
Can you see?
Yeah, ma'am.
+1, +1. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
But without this, how can I count? Right. Next, Arjun, Dhruvan, Abhinav. I mean, what is the worshipping of the Christian religion is called as? The faith of the Christian religion. The faith of the Christian religion. Okay, I'll ask one by one. Yes, Dhruvan. Dhruvan, tell me quickly.
Ma'am, church.
Okay, Shreya.
Ma'am, church.
Okay, Dhruvan. Shreya.
Monotheism.
Nehadarshi. Nehadarshi.
Monotheism, ma'am.
Okay. And Nimira. Wait, Kundana, what is the answer?
Monotheism, ma'am.
It's wrong answer, no.
Ma'am, monotheism belief in one God.
One God. They believe in one God, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Believe
It's
in one
correct,
God.
Yes, ma'am. They believe in only one God.
Okay, so monotheism, that means belief in one God.
One God.
So that is the answer. So Kundana, I'll give half mark to you. Neha, I'll give half mark to you. For Nehita, I'll give 1 mark. Okay. The next question.
Even I said no, ma'am.
Yes. Next question. Where is the origin of the Christian religion? The origin of the
Ma'am.
Christian religion. Nimira, Kundana, Nehita, Shreya, Nehadarshi. Okay, I'll start from Kundana. Kundana, what is the answer?
Ma'am, Eastern Mediterranean region, ma'am.
Nehadarshi?
Ma'am, in Makkah.
Shreya?
Eastern Mediterranean, ma'am.
Eastern Mediterranean, wrong answer. Nimira?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Bethlehem near Jerusalem.
Yeah. Nehita?
ma'am, you're asking the virgin.
Yeah.
Eastern Mediterranean region.
Yeah, the correct answer is Eastern Mediterranean region. That is the correct answer. Okay. Shreya,
Confusing us, ma'am.
that's what called quiz.
No, ma'am, I'm confident on my answer.
You have to be confident on your answer. If I say wrong also, you have to be confident on your word. Okay, the next question. And the question is, what is the holy book of Muslims, Islam religion? What is the holy book of the Islam religion? Nimira, Nehita, Kundana, Nehadarshi, and Shreya. Okay, Kundana, what is your answer?
Ma'am, Quran.
Hmm?
Quran. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, yes. Neha? Neha.
Ma'am, Quran.
Nimira?
Quran, ma'am.
Nehita?
The Quran.
Yeah, so the answer is Quran. Okay. Okay. Who was the disciple of Jesus Christ? Who was the disciple of a most important disciples. Disciple in the sense a student. Who was the disciple of Jesus Christ? Nehita, Nimira, Kundana. Okay. Kundana, what is the answer?
Ma'am, Saint Paul. What is
Nimira,
Saint Paul, ma'am.
Nehita.
Yes, ma'am. Saint Paul.
Yeah, Saint Paul is the correct answer. Okay. Which emperor first time accepted the Christian religion? Which empire first time accepted the Christian religion in Europe? In Europe, which empire first time accepted the Christian religion in Europe? Kundana? No?
ma'am? Don't know, ma'am.
Nehadarshi?
I forgot, ma'am.
Ma'am, Roman Empire.
Wrong answer. Yes, Nehita?
Constantine.
Wrong answer. Nimira?
Constantine only, ma'am.
Correct answer.
Yeah, correct. In Roman, the Constantine was the first empire who accepted the Christian religion. So Neha, Nimira, and Nehita.
Ma'am,
got-
Constantine, ma'am.
Yeah, in Roman, okay, in Roman city, Constantine was the first empire who accepted the Christian religion. Okay, so the next question is, okay, so the Islam religious people have been divided into two groups. So what are the two group names? Nehita and
Ma'am?
Nimira. Kundana. Okay, time up. Okay, Kundana, what are the two group names?
Ma'am,
You have to
Sunni
say
and
the
Shia
complete.
Muslims.
Huh?
Sunni Muslims and Shia Muslims, ma'am.
Sunni Muslims and Shia Muslims. Nimira,
Sunni Muslims, Shia Muslims.
Nehita.
Sunni Muslims and Shia Muslims.
Okay, the answer is Sunni Muslims and Shia Muslims. Okay. Okay, next one. The next question is, Renaissance was started in between which centuries? Renaissance was started in between which centuries? Nehita, Nimira, Nehadarshi, and Kundana. Okay, Kundana, tell me your answer.
Ma'am, I think from 14th and 17th centuries, I think.
Wrong answer. Nehadarshi,
Ma'am, 14th to 17th century.
no, as Kundana said, you are also telling wrong answer.
No, ma'am, 14th to 17th century.
Yes, ma'am.
Shreya?
14th to 17th century. only, ma'am.
14th to 17th century, ma'am.
All are saying wrong answers. Yes, Dhruvan. 9 to 14. 12. Okay, Nimira.
Ma'am, you're asking which year it started, na ma'am?
Which century? Which century? From which centuries to which?
14th century.
To
Ma'am.
which?
17th century.
Nehita.
14th century to 17th century only, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 14th to 17th.
Okay, the
100% sure, ma'am.
The answer is 14th to 17th centuries. It's correct answer. Okay, the next question is, what is mean by Renaissance? What is mean by Renaissance? Okay, Nehita, Nimira, Kundana, Nehadarshi, and Shreya. Shreya, what is your answer?
Rebirth.
Hmm?
Rebirth, ma'am. Rebirth.
Rebirth. No. There is another word for it. Yes, Nehadarshi.
Ma'am, rebirth.
Kundana,
Rebirth, ma'am.
don't say the repeated answer. There is another word for it. Yeah, next. Nimira,
Ma'am, only one answer is there, ma'am.
Ma'am,
what is your answer, Nimira?
Ma'am,
Yes, Nehita.
the term renaissance, that means rebirth.
Yeah, rebirth is wrong answer, but it is correct answer. Rebirth is correct answer.
Ma'am,
Yes. So between which year and where the Renaissance was started? Between which year and in which city it was started? Nehita and Nimira. Okay, Shreya, Nehadarshi, Kundana, repeated students again. Dhruvan. Okay, let
ma'am,
me.
you're asking me at the last, ma'am.
There is a kind of trick to ask at last. Yes, Dhruvan, what is your answer? Okay, Shreya.
1352, 1400.
Okay, where? What is the city?
Florence, Italy.
Neha?
Ma'am, it is started in Florence, Italy, in year 1352, 1352, 1400.
Kundana?
Ma'am, in Florence, Italy from 1350 to 1400, ma'am.
Nimira?
Ma'am, between 1350 to 1400 century in Florence, Italy.
Okay, Nehita?
Ma'am, the Renaissance was begun at Florence, Italy between 1350 to 1400.
Okay. Okay, so the answer is correct, which was started in Italy, Florence, in 1315. Between 1315 and 1400, the Renaissance was
Ma'am, we
first.
can say like 1350 to 1400 century also.
1400.
We can say century also, ma'am.
Century will be used in which century? Like 14th century, 15th century, likewise it will
Ma'am, the
be used.
Nimira said centuries.
No, I mean, generally we can say year. We no need to mention centuries here. Okay, year we can mention, no problem. And the next question is,
Yes, ma'am.
so what was the disease that so many people they have died due to that disease, and what is that disease called as? There is
What
another
was the disease
and what
caused
is the
in
meaning of
Renaissance?
the disease also? Okay, one disease and the meaning of the disease also. Yes, Kundana.
What is the
Ma'am, I know
disease
that
caused in Renaissance
but
period?
what is the Black Death, ma'am, confirmed.
Remaining all, please keep yourself mute. Somebody is searching in the net in Google Meet. Yeah, Kundana, say your answer.
Ma'am, Black Death.
Meaning of it.
I don't know, ma'am.
You have to say the complete meaning. Yes, Nehadarshi.
Ma'am, means it is black death, ma'am. Means it spread to a rat, ma'am.
Okay, Nimira, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, Black Death or bubonic plague.
Nehita.
Black Death, ma'am, and the bubonic plague.
Okay, so the answer is Black Death, and it is also can be called as bubonic plague. Okay, Kundana and Nehadarshi, I have given half of mark to you because you have told Black Death and the other one you didn't say. So Nehita and Nimira, I have given one mark to you. Okay, and the next one is how many crusades were there? Total, I'm telling you, total how many crusades were there? Give your answer carefully. All the crusades, count all the crusades, how many are there? Yes, Dhruvan.
Ma'am, we have to name them also.
No. Total how many? The number of crusades. Huh?
9.
Wrong answer. Kundana?
9
Kundana?
Ma'am, 9, ma'am.
Wrong answer. Think again. Nimira.
Ma'am, I think 11.
No. Nehita?
Ma'am, there were 9 crusades.
No, wrong answer.
9.
Actually, there were 9 crusades and 1 children crusade were there. So total 10 crusades. I mean, 9 crusades which were there between the religious people. Those are 9.
Ma'am,
And
the
one
children crusade were also included in 9 crusades only, na, ma'am?
No.
Ma'am, but
No.
when they were giving
Children
that
crusade.
7.
Let me tell you. 9 crusades are completely involved between the Christian and the Islam religious people. And later on, there was a children crusade also. If you can see in your course book also, you will get it. There were 9 crusades and children crusade is separately mentioned in that. Okay. And the next question is, so
Ma'am.
what was the Islam empire occupied the Constantinople? Which Islam empire occupied the
Ma'am?
Constantinople? Okay, which
Ma'am, your
Ma'am?
voice is trucking.
I can't hear you. Ma'am, I can't hear you properly, ma'am.
which Islam empire occupied the Constantinople? Only Nehita, only Nimira. Nehita and Nimira. That's all? Okay. So time up. Nehita, what is your answer?
I hope Iran.
Can you repeat the answer? I didn't understand.
Iran.
Ma'am, once can you
is it
repeat,
Iraq or
ma'am?
Iran?
Ma'am?
Now voice was trucking.
Ma'am?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question, please, ma'am?
1 second, Kundana. Nimira, what is the answer?
Current unsa?
Ma'am, the Turks of the Ottoman Empire.
Yeah, so the answer is the Turks of Ottoman. Those are the people who occupied the Constantinople. So Kundana, I have asked the question is, which empire occupied the Constantinople? Okay, that answer is Ottoman
Turks of
Empire.
Empire.
Yeah, Turks of Ottoman Empire occupied the Constantinople. Okay, so the next question is, in the feudalism time in the Europe, during the feudalism time, into how many categories the society have been divided, and what are the categories? Into how many categories the society have been divided, and what are the categories? Nehita, Nimira, Shreya, Kundana. Okay, so Shreya, what is your answer?
Ma'am, 4 categories.
Okay, names of the 4 categories.
King, nobles,
Okay.
nobles and lords, knights, knights and peasants.
Missing something, Shreya. Yes, Kundana.
Ma'am, 4 categories, ma'am. Kings, lords and vassals, and knights, and this
Peasant.
peasants and serfs. That's it, ma'am.
Nimira?
Ma'am, the four categories. First category is king, second one is noble and lord, third one is knight, and then the fourth one is peasant and serf.
Nehita?
Ma'am, there are 4 categories: kings, first, second, nobles of knights, third, vassals or knights, and fourth one is peasants of serfs.
Okay, so there are 4 categories: king, nobles and lords, vassals and kings, and peasants and serfs. So these are the 4 categories were there during the feudalism in the Europe. Okay, so next question, last question. Okay, and what are the causes of the Reformation during the Renaissance? What are the causes? Okay, I'll make it clear. What are the causes of the Renaissance? Causes of the Renaissance. What are the causes? 3. Any 3 causes? Yeah. Nehita, Nimira. Okay, time up. Time up. Okay, Nehita, what is your answer?
Ma'am, there was Pope system and the peasants were the first answer is that. And the second point is like there was no right, the total law will be there among the kings only. And the third was the feudalism.
Okay, Nimira,
Because
what is?
they were divided into sectors and the peasants were treated very badly.
Okay, Nimira.
Ma'am, the first line of Constantinople, the second one is the Crusades, and the third one is decline of feudalism.
Yeah, so whatever Nimira said and Nehita said, both are correct answer. But most important thing is that the fall of the Constantinople. So the Constantinople, which was, conquered by the Islam religious people, where the, these crusades were started, and the Renaissance, during that time only the Renaissance was also, means the change of the mindset have been changed. So in that manner, the Renaissance have been changed. Okay, Nehita and Nimira got 1 and 1.
Completed,
Okay,
ma'am.
so
Question.
completed. Now